I'm L-R-E-E, fuck nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga cheap. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. Outside hanging out the
Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. I am Oluwato Grace, and if you're joining us for the first time, welcome. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video if you can. But if you've always been here, thank you so much for coming back. I do appreciate the support. So in today's haul, I'll be featuring some SHEIN Skims Dupe. So stay tuned. I have the Fit Everybody basic t-shirts, I have a ripped t-shirt, I have bodysuits, as well as some sets. So stay tuned for all that good stuff, okay? So these are the Fit Everybody dupes. I got them from SHEIN, as I mentioned. I got them in the size medium. I got them in this type of blue, gray, as well as this type of blue. I have to look up the names of these colors, but I'm going to put it on screen. I also got the black one, and one thing I can say for sure about these are they are very easy to wear, very stretchy. Let me show you how stretchy. Really really stretchy. They get really stretchy. One thing that I have to complain about though is that the material doesn't absorb sweat that well. I'm a girl that sweats a lot, okay? Like when I'm in the gym, I'm like a grizzly bear, okay, and I sweat, okay? Not that I wear this to the gym, I'm just saying like on a normal regular day I do sweat a lot and it doesn't hold sweat well, and then you end up being too conscious because, like, you know, you're sweating and sweat stings. But other than that, these are really easy to lounge in. They are easy to dress up or down, and today I'll be styling some of them with some leggings or sweatpants or some jeans, so stay tuned. The sizes do run from, I believe, extra small to extra large. These items, I could be wrong about the sizes, but these particular items I'd advise you to size down because they do run very stretchy. Like I said, I got the size medium, and this is the black one that I'm wearing right now. But on my next order, I think I'll order a large just to see the look of it. I don't think a large would be bad for me, saying that like I have like broad shoulders. They're not too broad, but like, you know what I'm saying, just to get the feel of it. But I'll definitely advise you to size down when you purchase this dupe. They look exactly like Skims. I've never had Skims, let me not lie, but I've seen what they look like online. Definitely don't know how they feel, but I think this is like the closest to Skims that you can get. So, and it's affordable too. So girl, go on ahead, run, okay? One thing I'd like to also mention is I'm actually not wearing a bra or nipple cover with this top, and I don't think anyone can see my nipples at all. You can't even see my, you know, you can't see my boobs. Like, it's not transparent, it's not that transparent. I mean, it's really like, it's something that you definitely need in your wardrobe. It's definitely something you can slip on when you just want to lounge around in the house, or you just want to quickly run a few errands. So girl, like I said, you better run to SHEIN and get your hands on these dupes if you can afford the Skims one. Also, like, I advise people to try out dupes first, just to see, just like with perfumes, you want to try out the dupe of the perfume first, just to get a feel of what it smells like. So the same thing goes for outfits and bags. Before you splurge, why don't you just check out the dupes first and see what it's giving before you put some extra points on that item. Just the tip, sis, just a tip. The next item I wanted to talk about is this basic top that actually looks like a Skims as well. The only difference is this one is ripped. It has a ripped material, extra stretchy. I got this one in a large. I could have sized down as well because it's really stretchy, but it feels really good. It does look like the Fits Everybody from Skims, but other than that, I have no complaints. They are very affordable, like I said. I hope this one holds on sweat more than the other ones, because if you're a girl that sweats, I don't know, maybe I'm just being too self-conscious, but like, that's the downside for me, like the fact that it doesn't hold sweat like that. Like, but other than that, I really love them. They're easy to wear, like I said, for errands. You can dress them up or down as you please, girl, as you please. Okay, so the next item that I want to feature in this haul are these two bodysuits. They also look like the Skims Fits Everybody bodysuits. Girl, these are also very stretchy. I believe this color is mocha and this one is gray. Beautiful. I mean, even the contrast next to one another is very beautiful. This is also giving kind of like a cool tone purple. I don't know if the camera is picking it up nicely, but I definitely love these. Stretchy, and it comes as a pin, so you can always undo these and make it you can also make it a thong. It's giving like a chickster, so you can always like wear it with a jean or a legging as you please. It's definitely also giving effortless bodysuit that you can also wear down or up with a nice jean, your cute little bag, you know, and you know, it's giving dinner date as well, sexy, effortless. And the same goes for this one as well. The only difference is the colors. I also like how the sleeves are. It's also giving chickster. You can always unbutton it as well. So I have zero complaints. And these items, like I said, they're like super stretchy, so when you do get them, you want to size down. Believe me, girl, you want to size down because you want something that's gonna hug your body. You see how Kim Kardashian be wearing? You see how she be wearing? So like, hello, we want to twin. Don't you want to twin with her? You better twin with me at least, because that's why I'm bringing you this tea, this effortless tea. Okay, we need to. I'll be inserting try on pictures here obviously and videos for you guys to see the look and feel of these things. So let's move on to the next, and I believe the last category of the haul. So the last item on this haul is actually a set. This is giving the ribbed V shorts from Skims. I got it in gray. This is a size medium, and this is also a size medium. They do come together as a set. I'll be trying it on right now. Again, like I said, this collection from the SHEIN Sexy collection is so stretchy, and you just want to like size down, you know, because you want something that's gonna hold your body. And this I could have taken a small. That's how stretchy this is. Like, this is like, do you see the stretch on these? Like, they are stretchy. So that's all I have for this haul. These items are super stretchy, and even though I got it in a medium, like I said, I wish I had sized down. But you know, it's my first time buying from this SHEIN collection, the SHEIN Sexy collection, so we'll see what it feels like. And then next time when I definitely purchase a different color, then maybe I'll get it in a smaller size. And these items come in a variety of colors. Like, those colors are beautiful. They're beautiful. Those colors are beautiful. So that is all I have for this haul. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, like, leave me a comment. I do respond to every comment. Follow me on my social medias, and feel free to check out the rest of my content over here. I do fitness and fashion and a little bit of vlogs, so if you don't mind supporting the channel, it will be really appreciated. Thank you for tuning in one more time, and I'll see you guys in my next haul. Bye. Before y'all go, do y'all see that I was trying to like do the Kim K wet look hair? I was at a picture. I actually have a video on this. I'm gonna leave it in the description box so that you guys can see how I got the hair. It's given dry right now, but when I just did it, it was glossier than this, so make sure you check that out as well. I'll also be leaving my sizes in the description box below, so that in case you guys want to twin with me and use me as a reference, and I'll definitely be leaving my sizes in the description box below. So once again, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, thank you for sharing. God bless you. The universe answers all your prayers. Let's just twin and look like Kim Kardashian or whatever.